नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रो, मागील व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण गणित भाग 2 मीन्स मॅथ्स पार्ट 2 मधील सिमिलॅरिटी या प्रकरणातील रेशो ऑफ एरियाज ऑफ टू ट्रायंगल्स प्रॉपर्टी नंबर फर्स्ट वी हॅव टू स्टडी देअर आपण तिचा अभ्यास केलेला आहे. त्याच्याच आधारे आपण आज दोन प्रॉपर्टी बघणार आहोत, प्रॉपर्टी नंबर 2 and प्रॉपर्टी नंबर 3. Second property is also related to ratio of areas of two triangles and third also. So second property is if the heights of both triangles are equal, then how to convert the first property into second? So do you know first property? The first property of ratios of areas of two triangles is the ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to product of their bases and corresponding heights. That is area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to BC into AD divided by QR into PS. That is, we are also converting short A1 divided by A2 is equal to B1 into H1 divided by B2 into H2. This is the first property of ratio of areas of two triangles. So by using this property, we are prove here second property and third property of ratio of areas of two triangles. So second property, let us study the second property. If heights of both triangles are equal, then so look at in the figure. In triangle ABC, AD is the height which is equal to H. Also in triangle PQR, PS is the height of triangle PQR. That is also equal to H. That means identical mark on that. That indicates both triangles have equal height. Then how to convert this second property? Let us study here. You know first property. By using first property, we have to prove this second property. So we know first property, that is area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to BC into AD divided by QR into PS. So that is ratio of areas of two triangles equal to ratio of product of their bases and corresponding heights. So look at in the figure, both these triangles have equal heights. So put here value of BC, AD, QR and PS. So in figure, BC is the B1 into AD is H divided by, in figure, triangle PQR, QR is the base which has the value B2 into H. Means both triangles have equal heights. So look at in the right hand side. In numerator and denominator, same factor is there, so that is cancelled. That is eliminated. So what is remaining there? So B1 divided by B2. So area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to B1 divided by B2. So that means if the heights of both triangles are equal, then the ratio of areas of two triangles equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. So this second property of ratio of areas of two triangles, once again listen, second property of ratio of areas of two triangles is if heights of both triangles are equal, then the ratio of areas of two triangles equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. This property is shortly written as A1 is the area of first triangle divided by, means ratio, area of second triangle is equal to B1 divided by B2. This is the second property of ratio of areas of two triangles. Very important property. So third property also we have to study here. So third property is related to if both triangles have equal base, common base, same base. Then how to convert this first property into third property? So this third property also we have to prove here by using first property. So first property, you know there, ratio of areas of two triangles, that is area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to, first property, is equal to the ratio of product of their bases and corresponding heights. So BC into AD divided by QR into PS. Third property we have to prove here by using first property. So first property we have to use this figure. We get area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to BC into AD divided by QR into PS. So look at in the figure, triangle PBC So here triangle not PQR is there, triangle PBC is there. So area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PBC equal to BC into AD divided by BC into PQ. Because here BC is the common base both triangle have there, PQ is the height of triangle PBC. So you look at in the figure. So this triangle have same base, common base, that means at numerator and denominator BC is the common factor that get cancelled. So what we get here? AD divided by PQ. So AD is the height of triangle ABC and PQ is the height of triangle PBC, that is H1 divided by H2. So area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PBC equal to H1 divided by H2. So that means third property says if the bases of both triangles are equal, then the ratio of two triangles equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. So this property is shortly written as A1 area of first triangle divided by area of second triangle, A1 divided by A2 is equal to H1 divided by H2. These are second and third property we have to prove by using first property of ratio of areas of two triangles. These three very important properties of ratio of areas of two triangles we have to use to study the similarity of two triangles. By using three properties we have to solve the practice set 1.1. Next video we can see there.